Hi, want to know how to turn on or turn off double tap to wake on your Xiaomi Redmi 13C? So, now firstly let me show you how this feature looks. So if I will turn off my phone and double tap on turned off phone, as you can see nothing is happening. And now let me show you where to enable double tap to wake. So as a first step we would need to open settings and here find this tab name of which is lock screen. Click on it and here we can immediately see double tap to wake feature. To enable it, we would need to click on this slider, which will become blue, which is meaning that it's enabled. And now let's test it once more. I'll turn off my phone and then double tap. And as you can see, my phone has waken up and now we can even faster turn on our phone than before. And now, last step, if you have tried this feature and you don't like it, we can still disable it in the same settings, which is tap lock screen and here click on this blue slider until it will become gray. This is it. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.